Rolling.
Guys, we're back and we have a very, very special guest for you today. We've had the love heart, the tulip and the rosetta. We're now going to show you how to pour the Swan. But believe it or not, me or Niall, the original Northern Baristas, we can't actually do it.
You can't be.
So we've got the Martin Scorsese of the Northern Baristas, the director of photography, usually behind the lens. Now he's on the lens, Eddie Massarella. Welcome, mate.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How are you feeling about pouring the Swan? A bit nervous?
Yeah, a bit nervous, yeah.
Right.
Big crowd, isn't it?
I'm going to mic him up and then let's get into it. We'll be back. Hey up guys, I'm Eddie. As Joey said, the man behind the camera, but today I'm in front. I'm going to show you how to pour a Swan. So, I've got my espresso, perfectly extracted at 36 seconds. I've got my milk, perfectly steamed, both using the lads' videos, and I've got some chocolate to spice things up this Christmas, that knows. So, let's get rolling. That, my friends, is a Swan song. Shine on. Let's get rolling. So we're going to drop our milk into our espresso, raising that crema. When you get about a third full, stop. We're going to move in, wiggling as we go forward to make the bottom, come down for the wing, back down towards the bottom for the neck, up, back, creating a heart for the head, up and through. That, my friends, is a Swan song. Shine on.